Students, a very good morning to everybody present here. Today we were supposed to do the revisions of lesson 6 to 9. इसमें हम लोगों ने कहा था we'll do the quiz. We'll ask a question section wise. हम question section wise पूछेंगे. इसका ध्यान रखेंगे. The question shall be asked section wise. And during this process, one scorer shall be there. One scorer shall be there. He or she will be writing the scores of 4A, 4B, 4C, 4D, 4E. No passing of question there will be there. कोई passing of questions नहीं होंगे. हम सिर्फ जिससे ग्रुप से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, अगर वो जवाब नहीं दे पाएगा, randomly I will be asking anybody, but that score shall not be added. ठीक है? ध्यान रहे, 5 sections हैं, 5 questions हैं, 9 राउंड चलेंगे. ठीक है? मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनेंगे आप. और अगर जो सेक्शन के साथ नहीं होगा उनसे पूछा भी नहीं जाएगा, उनको क्लास से रिमूव किया जाएगा. आदर्श कुमार, अपना सेक्शन के साथ क्लास में आओ. रीनेम करो, नाम के साथ सेक्शन लिखो. Now see, I shall be asking a question to 4A first. मैं 4A के बच्चों में ही किसी का नाम पूछूंगी, बाकी कोई बच्चा हाथ नहीं उठाएगा. 4A के बच्चे क्वेश्चन हाथ उठाएंगे. देन 4B के पूछूंगी, 4B के बच्चे हाथ उठाएंगे. उसमें से रैंडमली किसी को पूछा जाएगा. 4C से पूछूंगी, 4C के बच्चे हाथ उठाएंगे. एंड दिस शैल कंटिन्यू. मान ली 4A के हमने I asked a question from 4A and he or she didn't reply. तो वो क्वेश्चन पहले उसी ग्रुप को पास किया जाएगा, माने उसी क्लास के किसी बच्चे को पास किया जाएगा. अगर कोई भी जवाब नहीं दे पाएगा तो सेकंड वो क्वेश्चन मैं रैंडमली किसी से भी पूछ लूंगी मेरे अलग सेक्शन से, बट दैट नंबर विल नॉट बी एडेड. और अदर काम करते हैं, दैट कैन बी एडेड, हाफ मार्क्स कैन बी एडेड. ठीक है? और देयर विल बी वन स्कोरर. वो स्कोरर किसी भी सेक्शन का हो सकता है, बट वो स्कोरर इज also allowed to enter the give a reply, raise his hand for the reply. ठीक है? तो चलो मैं स्कोरर बना रही हूं उत्सव राठौर 4B. मैं इसे स्कोरर बना रही हूं. अनम्यूट करो उत्सव. उत्सव अनम्यूट करेंगे. अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, ma'am.
You take a pencil and scoring करें, या फिर मैं I can do that also. मैं भी कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे, ये मत सोचे कि मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. I will be also doing the same thing, scoring. आपको स्कोरिंग में अपने पास भी लिखूंगी, आप भी करेंगे. हम will match together, okay? We'll match together and then the winners will be shall be announced. Okay? आप बीच में कहीं नहीं बोलेंगे, ठीक है? Anidya Pradeshi, put your hands down. Anidya, Ayush, put your hands down. Put your hands down. Utsav Rathore, put your hands down. Okay. First question of this quiz shall be for 4A. 4A. जो भी 4A के बच्चे हैं, if you want to participate, you have to raise your hand for that. If you want to be asked the questions. Okay. The first question. From lesson 6 onwards, है ना? ध्यान रखना है. शुभम पहले से 4A का हाथ उठाया हुआ है. पहले क्वेश्चन सुनो. First you listen to the question, then you answer. You can put your hands down. The question for 4A is, how do house flies spread diseases? 4A students, you are supposed to participate first. Shubham 4A. Those who have 4A के बच्चे हाथ उठाएंगे. How do house flies spread disease? Not a single person raised hand. How come? Pore? Okay. Sanjana Kumari, unmute yourself. She has given the raised hand. Sanjana 4A. Bolo. Unmute karo. Give the answer. Sanjana, answer do.
Yes, ma'am.
How do houseflies spread disease?
House flies sit on garbage or animal and gather germs on their feet and bodies. When these flies sit on any food item, the germs are passed on the food. When humans consume such infected food, they become ill.
Okay, is it a right answer? Is it a right answer? Utsav Rathod, do you agree with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so give 2 marks to 4A. Mute yourself. Sanjana, mute yourself. हाथ नीचे 4A के बच्चे हाथ नीचे करेंगे 4B. Question is for 4B. Question is for 4B. How does a silk moth weave a cocoon? 4B. Only 2 students, among which Utsav is one of them. 2 students केवल. क्यों भाई? 4B. How does a silk moth weave a cocoon? Okay, Arnav Kashyap. Ask, unmute yourself. बोलो. Arnav, बोलिए. बोलिए आप unmuted हैं.
Silk mouth, just like a butterfly. Silk waves mouth when their life as an egg. Then hatch into a
See, listen, the question is, how does a silk moth weave a cocoon? I can give a chance to 4B Satyam Jha. But इसके marking कम जाएंगे. 4B
silk
के.
was created liquid which changed into a fine thread. This moves waves around itself with this thread. This cover is called a cocoon.
फिर से बोलो सत्यम. फिर से बोलो.
Silk was created liquid which changed into a fine thread. The moth waves around itself with this thread. This cover is called a cocoon.
Silk moth secretes something which changes into a fine thread, and the silk moth weaves it around itself and forms a cocoon. Now, I shall ask somebody else. Aradhya Kumari, was the answer right? Aradhya Kumari, was the answer right? 4E Aradhya. क्या ये आंसर सही था सत्यम का?
Ma'am, voice is not coming.
Okay, voice is not coming. Very good. Asta 4D, was the answer given was Satyam right?
मैम थोड़ा
थोड़ा थोड़ा कहाँ पे गलती थी? The answer was absolutely right. The silk moth secretes a liquid which changes into a fine thread, and the moth weaves this thread around itself and forms cocoon. It was absolutely right answer. But since the answer was given in second attempt, 2 attempt के बाद ही आंसर मिला, इसलिए इसके नंबर हाफ होंगे, यानी it will be 1. तो जो भी हाथ उठाए इस चीज का ध्यान रखें कि you know the answer completely. Okay, चलो. The next question is for 4C. 4B वाले बच्चे हाथ नीचे करेंगे. 4B वाले बच्चे हाथ नीचे करेंगे. The next question is for 4C. उत्सव, आप स्कोरिंग लिख रहे हैं, मैं यहाँ से बोर्ड पे लिख रही हूँ, वैसे आपको भी लिखना है. हम मैच करेंगे. ऐसा तो नहीं मैं छूट रही हूँ. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर 4C. सिर्फ 4C के बच्चे हाथ उठाएंगे. Only 4C. Yes. Next, how is honey collected from a beehive? जिनको अच्छे से याद है वही हाथ उठा रहे हैं ना. How is honey collected from a beehive? Rajkumar 4C. Unmute yourself. Rajkumar, unmute करो.
Yes.
बोलो. Give the answer. 4C के बहुत बच्चों ने हाथ
Honey is collected from beehives by lighting fire under it. The heat and smoke drives the bees out of the hive. The honey collector then removes the hive. Then honey collected.
Okay. उत्सव ये सही आंसर है.
Yes, ma'am.
Akriti Thapa, is it the right answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. The honey is started from a beehive by lighting a fire under it. The heat and the smoke drives the bee out of the hive, and then the honey collector collects the hive. Yes, it is the right answer, Rajkumar. A clap for Rajkumar. Okay. Unmute कर लो अपने आप को. Next question is for 4D. D for Delhi. बाकी बच्चे हाथ नीचे करेंगे. बाकी बच्चे हाथ नीचे करेंगे. 4C के बच्चे हाथ नीचे करो फटाफट. 4C, lower your hands. The moment the answer is being given by somebody else, just lower your hands. Next. How can we save ourselves from harmful insects? 4D के बच्चे हाथ उठाओ. How can we save ourselves from harmful insects? कौशिकी ने हाथ उठाया है, आदर्श 4D ने हाथ उठाया है, दक्ष श्रीवास्तव ने हाथ उठाया है. Okay. दक्ष, unmute करो. दक्ष श्रीवास्तव, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, बोलो. Answer this question. Answer this question. आप unmuted हैं.
Yes, ma'am. Maintain cleanliness and hygienic to keep dried neem leaves in cloth. 3. Apply kerosene oil on wooden fight.
देख के बोल रहे हो.
No, ma'am.
Then how can you, you are fumbling like this? How can you fumble like this? Adarsh Kumar, answer this question. 4D Adarsh Kumar. हाथ उठाने के पहले बहुत ध्यान से हाथ उठाएंगे. चलो.
We can't save our time from harmful insect by using natural method or by using chemical called insecticide or pesticide.
Pesticides.
Ma'am, pronunciation.
We can get rid of and protect ourselves from harmful insects by using natural methods or by using chemicals like insecticides and pesticides. We can also use dry neem leaf in clothes or dry neem leaves in clothes or kerosene oil on the wooden furnitures. Okay. So again, 1 mark for D. Second attempt में answer आया है. Now for E. E. D के बच्चे हाथ नीचे करो. This is for E. What is lac? Said is for users. For E. What is lac? Said is for users. Okay. Navya Rajput, give this answer. What is lac?
Yes,
What is lac?
ma'am. Ma'am, lac lives on banyan tree and it secretes a semi-solid liquid. Its four uses are printing ink, making bangles, and
Okay. Printing inks, making bangles, varnishes. Nitya Pradeshi, complete this answer. 4 use of lac.
Yes, ma'am.
4 use of lac.
Ma'am, 4 uses. Ma'am, 4 uses is first is bangle. It is used for making the bangles. One is printing ink, and ma'am, some similar things.
What similar things? Lac is used
Ma'am,
for paints.
paints.
Yes, it's for paints. 4E again, 1 mark. Boys and girls, मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ, until and unless you are very much sure, don't raise your hand because आपके scoring कम जा रहे हैं. Okay, come to 4A. Next question for 4A. बाकी बच्चे हाथ नीचे करो. All of you, put your hands down. 4A. What are nutrients and why are they essential for our body? Those who are unmuted, उत्सव को छोड़ के बाकी म्यूट कर लो अपने आप. 4A के बच्चे हाथ उठाएंगे. अमर दुबे, सूर्यांश हाथ नीचे करो. 4A में I can find only 2 students raising hand time and again. Aditya Kumar Mishra, give this answer. What are nutrients and why are they essential for our body? Bolo, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, nutrients are substances present in our body, present in our food. They provide us energy, help us grow, keep us healthy, diseases free, and strong.
Okay, yes. Nutrients are the substance present in our food. They help us to grow. They help us to keep us healthy. They make us strong and help us to give us energy. Okay, right? It is the right answer. Again, A2. Next question for B. B, next question. Why is it advisable to eat food items like whole fruits, vegetables, salads, and whole grains? 4B. Why is it advisable to eat food items? हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 बच्चों का हाथ अभी तक है. संजना हाथ नीचे करो और आदित्य कुमार मिश्रा हाथ नीचे करो. You're in 4A. 4B. We have got only 2 hands again. Utsav, answer this question.
It is advisable to eat food items like whole fruits, salads, and whole grains because they act as roughage which help us to get rid of undigested food.
Very good answer, Utsav. Very good. Yes, it is advisable to eat food items like whole grains, salads, and whole fruits because it acts as roughage, which help us to get rid of undigested food. And along with that, Utsav, does it has any more function?
They are fiber.
You're wrong. You're right. You're going on the right path. Yes, they're the fiber. So they help us to clear our bowel. Along with that, they help us to get rid of overeating so that we don't do overeating. है ना? Okay, it is the right answer. 2 for B also. Utsav, आगे सही करो. Next for C. Next for C. Only C के students हाथ उठाएंगे, बाकी बच्चे हाथ नीचे. Put your hands down. Put your hands down, dear. Okay. Why do we say that water is an essential for proper functioning of our food, of our body? Sorry. Why is it said that water is essential for proper functioning of our body? 4C, Amar Dubey and Sanvi Raj. Sanvi, unmute yourself. Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
why do we say like this?
Ma'am, water is help to our body because it helping to digested food.
That's all. Nothing else.
And it helping digestion.
You want to add something to it. Give give a strain to your brain. Is there any more answer to be given? Water is essential for the. Tanvi's answer is right, but I want something more to it. Amar Dubey, unmute karo.
Balanced diet.
Amar Dubey, bolo.
Water is essential for proper functioning of our body because it helps in digestion of food and absorption of nutrients of our body.
Very good. Yes, I will be giving the full marks. Full marks दोगे आदित्य right करेंगे हम लोग. Yeah, it is the right one. Water is essential for our body because it helps in the proper digestion of food. Along with that, it helps in absorption of nutrients in the blood. So 2 for C as well. D. Now the question is for you. D. Question is for you. Why are vitamins and minerals also called protective food? Raise your hand for D. Why are vitamins and minerals also called protective food? आस्था, कौशिकी, आदर्श, दक्ष, यही 4 बच्चों ने हाथ उठाए हैं और 4D किसी बच्चों को नहीं आता. कौशिकी, give this answer. कौशिकी.
Vitamin and mineral are the nutrients which protect our body from diseases and keep us healthy. Foodstuffs containing vitamin and mineral are called protective food.
Asta, is it a right answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat the answer. Repeat the answer.
Vitamins and minerals are called protective food because they protect our body from diseases and stay healthy.
Okay. It is absolutely the right answer. Vitamins and minerals are called protective food because they protect our body from falling ill and keep us healthy. Right answer. Okay. Next is for 4E. Lower your hands. Aditya Raj Singh, sahi baitho. Aditya Raj Singh, sir, sahi baitho. Okay. Those who are unmuted, mute कर लेंगे उस सब राठौर को छोड़ के. कौशिकी, mute कर लो अपने आप को. Next question is for 4E. Raise your hand, those who know this answer. Why should we eat a balanced diet? Why? बहुत बच्चों ने हाथ उठाया. 4E is a class in which everybody takes parts in it. Okay. Chitrank Srivastava. अरे कहाँ चला गया? Aradhya Verma, give this answer. Aradhya Verma, give this answer. Why should we eat a balanced diet? Aradhya Verma, unmute करेंगे अपने आप को.
Ma'am, we should eat a balanced diet for the proper digestion of food.
Okay. Is this answer a complete answer? Proper digestion of food?
No, ma'am.
Why should we eat a balanced diet? Diet हमें balance क्यों लेना चाहिए? And the question shall be given asked to Aditi Singh, 4E.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, we should eat a balanced diet because it contains all the nutrients in good amount.
The question passes to Anidya Pridashi. Is the answer right?
Ma'am, she left something.
Okay. She gave the right answer, but she left something. Okay. What was it?
Ma'am, it also contains roughage and water.
Balanced diet contains all the nutrients along with roughage and water, and that too in a proper amount. ऐसा नहीं कि चपातियां इतनी सारी हैं तो वेजिटेबल्स थोड़ा सा है. No, it contains all the nutrients: carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals along with roughage and water in the right amount. जितना चाहिए उसको हम balanced diet कहते हैं. Again, but that could be given answer 2 for 4E. 2 for 4E. Utsav, are you writing? I'm also writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come to 4A. थोड़ा fast करेंगे हमारे पास we are running short of time. 4A, बाकी बच्चे हाथ नीचे करो. 4A. Name 2 food items that are obtained from animals and are good source of protein. Short questions है, फटाफट हो जाएगा हमारा ये राउंड, फटाफट वाला राउंड हो जाएगा. Name 2 food items that are obtained from animals that are good source of protein. 4A, nobody has raised hand. Again, Aditya Mishra, only Aditya Mishra. Shubham Kumar, okay, Shubham, answer this question. 2 food items obtained from animals that are good source of protein.
2 food items that are good source of protein obtained from animals are milk and egg.
Right answer. Right answer. Okay. 2. OB. 2 materials. Name 2 minerals, not materials. Name 2 minerals that are required for healthy bones and teeth. And mention 1 food item which contains both of them. 4B. सत्यम झा, अर्नव कश्यप, यही 2 बच्चे हैं. उत्सव राठौर, इससे भी पूछ लिया. Shan Abdullah, okay, Shan, give this answer. Shan, 2 minerals that are obtained from required for healthy bones and teeth, and 1 food which contains both.
Ma'am, milk and sunlight.
You have to name 2 minerals that are required for healthy bones and teeth.
Protein.
I'm talking about mineral.
Calcium and
Bolo?
ma'am, can I see?
Ma'am, phosphorus and calcium.
Okay, Shan, it is calcium and phosphorus. Right answer. And 1 food source which contains both of it. शुभम 4A नहीं हाथ जब बताएगा. 4B से क्वेश्चन ना. उत्सव, you want to answer food item?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Ma'am, milk.
Milk is a source which contains calcium and phosphorus. Okay, so you'll be getting 1.5. 1.5 number मिलेगा. Okay, next for 4C. 4C थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे हम लोग. 4C के लिए next question है. Name the nutrients that are present in energy giving food. 4C. Name the nutrients present in energy giving food. Nobody has raised hand. 4C. हाँ, अमर दुबे ने हाथ उठाया, सानवी राज ने हाथ उठाया, राजकुमार, तीनों से मैंने पूछ लिया. और कोई 4C? Anybody else? Yash, unmute yourself. Yes, Yash, unmute करो, बोलो. Name the food nutrients present in energy giving food. Yash Vaishnav, unmute करो. 4C. यश वैष्णव अनम्यूट करेंगी. ओके, वो नहीं हो पा रहा है. क्षितिज 4C बोलो, आंसर दो. न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रेजेंट इन एनर्जी गिविंग फूड. क्षितिज.
Carbohydrates,
and
carbohydrates, protein and fats, vitamins.
अरे क्या बोल रहे हो? कोई एक न्यूट्रिएंट होता है. फैट एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट. You'll be again getting 1.
Fat and carbohydrate, ma'am.
Okay, 1 half. आपने confusion में चारों नाम बता दिया. Next 4D. Next for 4D. Only 4D के बच्चे हाथ उठाएंगे. Name the insect that generally spreads jaundice. 4D. बाकी बच्चे हाथ नीचे करो. 4D. हाँ, who is talking? 4D के students raise your hand. Shreyash, the insect which causes jaundice or spread, not causes.
Ma'am, housefly.
It is housefly. Right answer. Last for question DE. Last question for E. Now the question is for E. Name the insect that helps the crop or that saves the crop from pest. Name the insect that helps the crop to save or that save the crop from pest. Amrit Ojha, unmute yourself. Name that insect that helps to save the crop from pest. Amrit, you're unmuted. Jaldi jawab do. Amrit, you're unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Jaldi
Ma'am,
bolo.
ladybug beetle.
Yeah, it is ladybird beetle. Okay. So, by this, we come to the end of this quiz today. And the scores, एक बार हम सुनेंगे उत्सव से. उसके बाद मैं आपका बोर्ड शेयर करके बताऊंगी कि क्या वो सही है या नहीं. उत्सव जोड़ो, add and tell me the marks. Utsav is not unmuted. Okay. Utsav, unmute karo.
Ma'am, A 6. Ma'am, B. Ma'am, 4.5. C. Ma'am, 5.5. D. 5. E. 5.
Okay, see. A was 6. B was 4.5. C was 5. D was 5. And E was 5. 5, 5, 5, 4. So A is first. Second, we have got 3 second. And B is fourth, third. है ना? So a big clap for 4A. Everybody. You need a clap for 4A. सारे बच्चे एक बार clap करेंगे. मैं सबको unmute कर रही हूँ. सारे को मैंने unmute कर दिया है. सारे बच्चे give a clap for them. Give a clap for 4A. Very good. Everybody must give a clap for 4A. That's better. Now see, you have to make it a point कि आपके question answers properly learned हो. Next हम जो class लेंगे Tuesday, Wednesday को again we'll give a quiz for lesson 9 and 10. Done? और कुछ बच्चों को अफसोस रहा कि मैम हम लोग को जवाब पूछी होती शायद हम लोग अपने ग्रुप को जिता पाते.